Alright, this will be an elevator at Midway Mills Crossing.
Carrollton, Texas.
I'm gonna do my cab view for... I doubt anyone's gonna get on this elevator.
No, it's rarely ever used, even on weekends.
This is a nice cab, wow. I like how it's all white inside.
This was originally a Baxter and Sons.
I see.
Now don't press 1 because you'll see why after the door closes. And also that floor indicator doesn't work anymore at that one.
Okay, don't push anything.
Nope, because I'll show you what happens when you don't press anything.
The lights go, oh, it went down.
It parks. It just parks on the first floor.
Oh, okay, like no one called it.
No.
I won't
See?
push anything.
See? No.
Nice. Let's get off at 2.
Okay.
Let's switch sides. Oh, that's a cool elevator.
Yep.
Is this a childhood elevator of yours too?
I rode this thing in 2009
Nice.
when it was a Baxter and Sons.
They had different fixtures too, I'm guessing.
Did
That's it.